Guys, so I'm going to show you how to make sure that your HISD account is your main account. So if you just go to google.com, you will see that here I'm logged into my regular Gmail account and then my HISD account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign out of all accounts so you can log. So what you are going to do is you're going to remove both accounts. Oh, no. Sorry. And you're going to remove both accounts. You can always add them back. So basically, the main thing that you need to know is that when you are signing in on Google, the first sign in is your default sign in. So I put my HISD email. Yours will be student. You will do S and your student ID number at online.houstonisd.org, right? So go ahead, screenshot this, take a picture of this right here, and then you will click next and go on to put in your password, and that is how you will sign into your Google account.